Alright, they sent me PEZ in an envelope, but they didn't tape this. I wish they would have taped that. Luckily, the box did not fall out, so we have that. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy, here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Oh, this is a dispenser I have been waiting to find for years. Ta-da! This is the monster that Dr. Frankenstein created. Look at the neck. This is the plastic hinge version. This is a lot harder version to find. It's going to be on this 3.9 Austria. Oh, this is so cool. And as you can see, it has the non-shadowed lettering on this side of the stem. Plastic head spring. That is legit on this one. Because it is the plastic hinge. That is cool. Extremely, extremely rare PEZ dispenser. Oh, I'm so glad I was able to share this with you. Awesome! Hello, monster! Not Frankenstein. Frankenstein's monster. Oh. Yeah, extremely rare. So, when it comes to the metal pins, I've seen hundreds of them, thousands of them maybe. At least hundreds. This is the only one I've ever seen of this. Extremely rare. Alright. So until next time...